Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook yellowfin tuna perfectly. First, selecting the right tuna is key. Always opt for fresh, sushi-grade yellowfin, ensuring it has a vibrant color and firm texture. Before cooking, gently pat your tuna steaks completely dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a beautiful sear. Then, season generously with sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any other desired spices to enhance its natural flavor. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now let's talk about searing. Heat a heavy-bottomed pan, like a cast iron skillet, over high heat until it's smoking slightly. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as grapeseed or avocado oil. Once the oil shimmers, carefully place your seasoned tuna steaks in the hot pan. Sear for just 1 to 2 minutes per side for a beautiful, rare to medium rare finish. This quick cooking time ensures the exterior is perfectly caramelized, while the inside remains tender. Achieving the ideal doneness is crucial for yellowfin tuna. Most chefs agree it's best served rare to medium rare, showcasing a cool, red center. You can check for doneness by gently pressing the tuna. It should feel slightly firm on the outside and soft in the middle. For precision, an internal temperature of 115 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit is perfect. After searing, always let your tuna rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a more tender and flavorful steak. Finally, it's time to serve your perfectly cooked yellowfin tuna. Carefully slice the tuna against the grain into beautiful half-inch thick pieces. This technique ensures each bite is tender and easy to enjoy. Drizzle your sliced tuna with a light, complimentary sauce, perhaps a soy ginger vinaigrette or a simple lemon butter sauce. Garnish with fresh herbs like cilantro or parsley for an extra touch of freshness. Serve immediately with your favorite side dishes, such as roasted asparagus or a crisp green salad, for a truly delightful meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.